So over here you can see that I got 3 clips, and if I were to go around and press the play button, then you can go around and see that it plays around normally right here. So if I were to go around over here, then what I can do is I can trim out the in and out points of the clip right here, as you can see, just like this. But what you can also do is you can go around and trim out everything in real time. And to do that, you can enable something called the dynamic trim, which is located right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around and click on this particular button right here, which is the dynamic trim button, what you can do is you can select any point. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and select this point right here. And if I were to go around and press L on my keyboard right here, on my keyboard, if I were to press L, then it plays out the contents of both of the clips right here. And then you can see that I can press K to stop it out. Similarly, I can press J to reverse it backward, and it plays, that is, it reverses in real time, and you can press K to stop that out. You can go around and do the same on this section as well. You can go around and press L to actually go around and play it from that side right here. Press K to stop, just like this. You can also do this, so you can go around and select out, let's say, a clip right here. And if you were to go around and press L on your keyboard, then what happens is that in real time, it goes around and then trims out the rest of the clip right here, over here on the right side, while the clip that you selected remains unchanged. You can go around, press J so that it moves backward, as you can see right here, and you can press K to stop. And as you are actually pressing L, or let's say J right here to go back, or K, you can see the video clip actually being played right here as long as the timeline is here. But once you turn this off, then you lose that ability right here and you're just playing back normally. And that is how you can utilize the dynamic trim option inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.